Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Operatify. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your C drive storage issue. So most of the time we have to deal with the situation when our C drive is almost full and the icons of videos and photos look like this, and we are not able to see the actual photo, thumbnail, etc. And there are a lot of problems we have to face because of less storage issue. In spite of the fact that we do not have a lot of things in our C drive. So first of all, we have to remove all the things from recycle bin, and whatever you have in your desktop, downloads or documents or anywhere, so that the storage of the C drive is as less as it could be. So first of all, you have to press window button and R button, and after that you are going to have a box like this. This is a search box. You have to search prefetch. So after hitting enter, you have to click on continue, and it will ask for the permission of an administrator. After that you have to press Ctrl A to select all and then delete, so it will be moved to recycle bin. Okay, after this you have to press window R again, and then you have to write this %temp%, then click OK, and you are going to see this folder, and hit Ctrl A and delete all these files as well, and skip all the files that it is creating an issue, so just skip this. Okay, after that again window R, and now this time only temp, then click OK and delete all these files as well. These are actually our temporary files that sort of cache, you can say. And after that just cross all this and empty the recycle bin as well, and click all the files, delete it, so it will be permanently deleted. And after that your C drive will be fixed. So as you can see here, almost 1 GB is now free. And yeah, I have my icons. Let me see my icons and screenshot, so you can see how the thumbnails are being shown. And yeah, that's for the video. If you like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also ask something in the comment box if you want to, and make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching, guys.